Many colleges have graduation ceremonies today, but with a glut of experienced workers on the market, many college graduates are finding it increasingly difficult to find a job. Another 5,000 people will be out of a job next month as the next round of layoffs take effect. While some areas of the economy are in decline, others are actually showing growth in these tough economic times.
As a graduate from the heating and air conditioning program at Ferris, I really feel that the Ferris program offers its students a top-notch, top-quality education. I was the first out of our program to be employed by Johnson Controls, which was 7 years ago. And since that time, we have hired at least one and usually more than one Ferris graduate per year. The Ferris teachers that I had through my education at Ferris were fantastic. They are very well-knowledged, and they're also very humanistic. They're the kind of people that you can relate to. They give you good education in the classroom, and they also they'll offer good sound advice, good common sense advice outside of the classroom.
A Ferris graduate is a good graduate to hire for the simple reason they have all the basic educations behind them. And in the 2-year program, they're pretty well ready to start in the field and be productive within a reasonable length of time. If you hire a 4-year student, 4-year graduate, they have more experience, and they have also had a better education, broader education, and they are more productive faster. We definitely like to hire Ferris graduates.
At Ferris State University, our teachers teach, our students learn, and our graduates get good jobs.